In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tracking links in HubSpot campaigns. Understanding how to effectively integrate tracking links into your marketing campaigns can offer valuable insights into user behavior, enhance your targeting strategies, and ultimately boost your campaign performance. So, let's get started and dive right in. First, make your way to the HubSpot website by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. Once on the site's main page, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Clicking on this will guide you to the sign in page. Now, to simplify the login process, look for the Sign in with Google option. This is a quick and secure way to access your account. Click this option and you'll be prompted to select your account from the list provided. If you're already logged into your Google account, this step will be seamless. Once you're logged in, your next stop is the marketing section of HubSpot. Find this by navigating through the main dashboard. It's often tucked away under the primary navigation menu or clearly displayed in the central dashboard area. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward to locate. Within the marketing section, look for the Campaigns tab. This is your gateway to all things related to your marketing initiatives. Click on Campaigns, and you'll find yourself in a space where you can view, manage, and analyze your various marketing efforts. From here, select the specific campaign you are currently working on. Each campaign you've created or managed will be listed here, making it easy to find the one you need to focus on. Feel free to take a moment to explore if you're unsure, as getting familiar with this interface can be very beneficial. After selecting your campaign, you should see a left panel filled with various options. Scroll down this list until you come across Campaign UTM. This section is crucial as it's where you can create, edit, and use tracking links to enhance your campaign's effectiveness. Understanding and utilizing this section allows you to track where your audience is coming from and how they interact with your content. Now that you've located the Campaign UTM section, you can begin editing and using your UTM links. This process is essential for monitoring and analyzing the flow of traffic that interacts with your campaign. And there you have it, a clear and precise guide to using tracking links in HubSpot campaigns. Mastering this skill will provide you with deeper insights into your digital marketing efforts, helping you to be more strategic and efficient. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this guide helps you unlock more potential in your marketing campaigns. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.